Hi, very good evening. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in JP Nagar, 5th phase near Empire Hotel and Zaitun Hotel. So there is a house for sale. So this is the building. It is west facing. It is 30 till there, till that gate, 30, and depth is 50. So it is 1500 square feet site, and this is the surroundings. So it is JP Nagar, 5th phase, near very close to Empire Hotel, Zaitun Hotel. So ground floor you have total parking, generator, and servants or security room. Then first floor you have two BHKs. Second floor two BHK, and third floor and fourth floor is duplex, 4 BHK duplex. Then above that you have terrace area, then washing area. So it is G+4. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is parking area. Here you have total meters. And here you have lift at this side, and that is the generator. And here you have security room. So totally is with CCTV cameras. So this is the total parking area, 1500 square feet. Setbacks all around. And it is fenced. Grill is there. So it is secured entry. Even this side you have grill. Rainwater harvesting. And this is the generator. And this side you have lift. So if you need, you can use big gate, and this is one small gate entry. And this is total parking with CCTV cameras all around. So this is the lift. It is still 4th floor. That is totally ground, first, second, third, and duplex. So here total granite is being used till for all the staircase. So let's go to first floor. So next house construction is ongoing. So here you have lift, then two BHKs. This is one, and after that at the last you have another one. So I'll show you one model. So this is first floor. and we are going to second floor now. So total two BHKs here. So same concept on second floor, two BHKs. So this is second floor, and this is way to third floor. So third and fourth is duplex. So this is entry for duplex, where owners stay it is. It is beautifully fully furnished. So let's go and have a look. So this will be on third floor. So it is a 4 BHK duplex. So this is the third floor lift. So this is north facing entrance. Teak wood doors. So let's go inside. So this is a foyer at the entrance. So it is very beautifully luxury interiors with all the matching furnitures. So basically this is living area. Then here you have puja room, dining area. On the left hand side you have kitchen and utility area. Then there you have one bedroom, and that is way to fourth floor, where you have 3 bedrooms and sit out area. Then way to terrace. So it is total Italian marble. So interiors and furnitures and total setup is based on architectural design. Even the curtains are matching sofa set, and the woodwork is matching marbles. So it will be fully furnished. So this is puja room, and this is dining area. And this is the kitchen. And you have a table here, serving table, and hand wash area. So it is very beautifully designed with luxury interiors. And here you have utility area. So even here you have passage. So here you have one bedroom. And this is the bedroom with attached washroom. So this will be duplex first bedroom. So you have total glass here, and here you have a bathing area plus a western water closet. So this is the bedroom. Fully furnished here. So this is first bedroom. Here you have storage space. Below the staircase. So this is way to fourth floor. So let's go and have a look. So this is the fourth floor. So left side you have way to terrace. Then this is one bedroom. There you have another bedroom, and there you have third bedroom. So this will become second bedroom, third, and here fourth. And this total is sit out area. So as I told, it will be fully furnished. Total furniture, total fixtures, everything will be remain as it is. So this is sit out area with sunroofing. So this total sunroofing you have, it is very bright. So here you have a counter. So it can be well used for a party. So total Italian marble, and this is again way to corridor. So on the left you have lift. And this all the sofas, table, this fixtures, everything will be as it is. Nothing is going to be removed. So it is going to be fully furnished. Plug and play. There is second bedroom on fourth floor. So this is the second bedroom of the duplex house. So on the left hand side you have a washroom, dressing area. Even this cot will be there. All the fixtures, cot. And this is the wardrobes, high class. So here you have washroom. This is the dressing area. So this is the washroom. Here you have mirror. storage space, hand wash area. Then this is bathing area, and here you have water closet. So there is a second bedroom of duplex house on the fourth floor. So let's go to the third bedroom. So this is a third bedroom of the duplex house. Even AC will be there, so nothing will be removed. So all the bedrooms has attached washroom, and there you have balcony, and here one washroom. So this is the washroom. So bathing area and water closet. And here you have a balcony. It's just for ventilation or standing purpose, not much wide. So this was the third bedroom of duplex house, third and fourth floor. So this is fourth floor. And this is the fourth bedroom. And this is the washroom. So all the bedrooms has attached washroom. Everything is fully furnished. So this is way to terrace. Next house construction is ongoing. This is again way to rooftop. So total on the left hand side you have grills, safety grills, and this is the lift. So it will be on the fourth floor. And this is the total passage. So here one small hand wash area is there. So this is the whole corridor and balcony you can take for this sit out area. So even this side you have washing area. So this is the terrace. There you have tanks, here solar, and this is the sunroofing glass. and this is the washing area. Above this you have tanks, storage area or washing area, and this is again safety storage below the tank room. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.